Welcome back to Dilemma's Concepts. What we're looking at now, we're looking at a curriculum-based test paper. We're looking at a few questions. So this one is a Venn diagram, right? So here are some information that we have below. So we want to make sure that we're looking at the information, then we try to fill out the Venn diagram, and then we could respond to as many questions as they may ask. So it says 30 students that were asked if they have a brother or a sister, right? So that's that. 21 have a brother, 16 have a sister, 8 have a brother but no sister, right? So we have 8 of them with a brother but no sister, right? All right, no problem. All right, so what we want to do is to use this information to see if we could fill out that Venn diagram below, right? So let's look at the first question. The first question says, how many students have neither a brother nor a sister, right? 8 have a brother but no sister. So in order to respond to the question, you want to make sure that you fill out this table first. So let us go. So we know that this is dealing with a total of 30 students, right? Now, 8 of them would have brothers only. And then there are some of them who have brothers and sisters, but we're told how many of them would have a brother. So in order to fill out this spot here in the middle, right? In order to know what's going on right here in this spot here, all right, I'm going to utilize the ones that have brothers, right? So we're talking about 21 of them would have a brother, but only 8 of that 21 would have brothers only, right? So you want to take that 21, that 8 from the 21, and you're left with 13, which means 13 of them with a brother. They do have a sister as well. All right, so you want to zoom in, and whenever we're doing a Venn diagram, we really want to start the Venn diagram in the intersection and then you spread. So now we're going to fill out those with sisters only. So we have 13 of them here who have sisters already. Sorry, but we were told that it's actually 16 right here would have a sister. And when they say have a sister, they mean sisters with brothers or sisters only. But if I know that 13 of them would have a brother while they have a sister, then it's going to be 3 of them that would only have sisters. So there it is. We would have completed a part of our Venn diagram. But when you add this number together, we should get 30 if we add 8 plus 13 plus 3. Now, when you add 8 plus 13 plus 3, we're getting 24. Which means that there are 6 persons that don't have a brother or a sister. That means those 6 would be outside of the circles, but they are part of the 30. So we have to make sure that we fill that out. So now let's respond to the question. How many of the students would have neither a brother nor a sister? You're looking at actually 6 of them would actually have a brother but no sister here. So number 2 says that the expanded form of a number is shown below. So we're seeing 4,000 plus 1, we see plus 80, plus 600, right? They're asking us which represents the number in standard form. So what you want to do, you can simply put it together and see what you have. In other words, we could add these up, add these number up, and see the total that we get. So we get a 1, an 8, a 6, a 4. So when I add this up, I'm getting 4,681. So I'm seeing C as my answer. So I could take my expanded form and just add them up to see that figure in its totality. Let's look at question 3. What are the next 2 terms, right, in the sequence below, right? If the pattern continues. So what you want to do, you want to think, you want to subtract. So if we look at the difference between, say if we say 47 minus 41, that's a 6. So there is a 6 here. And then if I look between this, I'm seeing 7 And if I look between this, I'm seeing 8. And if I look between this, I'm seeing a 9. So each time I'm adding. So I'm going to be adding 10 to get that number. And then I'm going to be adding 11. So 10. So if I say 71 plus 10, that's going to give me 81, right? And then 81 plus 11, I'm going to get 92. So I'm looking at 81 and 92. There it is. All right, so let's look at the final question right here. Let's see. Which statement is true? Right? Which statement is true? It says the factors of 4 are 1 and 4. That's not true. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5, 5 and 1. This is true. So I don't need to read the rest. The answer is B. The only factors of 5 are 5 and 1. All right. Thank you for watching Dilemma Concepts, and look out for more of these videos. See you later.